Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. These Art3d wall panels are a great find for my extra room build. A wonderful asset for the design I made for this new room. It adds pizzazz. You can see here on the doors and beside them, the panels are featured throughout the design of the structure. You see in the close-up here how beautiful they are, and the light as it comes into the room bounces off the different dimensions. Sometimes some of the edges even shine blue, and these panels are silky smooth to the touch. They are lovely to look at from different perspectives. I really like that. Over here we have an entire wall designed around 5 of these 3D panel squares, using the panels as a feature. Eventually the background will be painted white so they will stand out even more. In some areas of the project I left the 3D panels visible on the inside of the room. These 3-dimensional squares are beautiful and enhances the style of my project, so I'm very happy with them. And that's my point of view.